Hi, I'm Lucas. I'm your loft checker. Today we're visiting a co-living space. It's located at the Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall, which is at the very center of Taipei, and there are 2 shared bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and 1 balcony. And let's go check it out. So this is the front door. When you arrive in this co-living space, you can see it's very comfy here, very cozy. And so there is a kitchenette, a living room, and there are 2 shared bedrooms. They're right here, 1 and 2. You can see the decoration on the wall, the red bricks wall, and here is the shared bathroom. We'll start from the living area. Here, the kitchenette, there's a kettle, electricity stove, some cups and glasses, and here is you can do a little cooking if you want, make cup noodles. And here is a couch and a coffee table for you guys to hang out. And right here are some shelves. You can put some book and some drinks. On top is the split AC and some decoration on the wall, of course. Right here there's a fridge, a medium sized one, freezer, and a fridge. And here is the bathroom. Okay, so yeah, sink works fine, and the toilet and a washer right here, and it's a Western style bathroom, and so there's a division to separate it. And there's a window, very nice, and a mirror from this angle. Okay. Let's go check out the shared bedroom. So this is the first shared room. Great. So there are 4 bunk beds. There are 4 of them, and it's very clean. And there's a shelf and a little fan, and on top is the split AC. And right here is the for every bed there's an outputs for you. And here's the closet. There are another output set. Yeah. Very clean and comfy. Okay. Okay, let's go check out the balcony. So this is the balcony. You get to see the view of the Taipei, and it's some building over here, apartments, and you get to enjoy enjoy some drink over here. Great. Let's go back. All right.